Welcome children in bio class. Children, I am going to teach you endocrine system. The endocrine glands and hormone producing tissue located in different parts of our body. The endocrine glands and hormone producing tissues form endocrine system. The mammalian endocrine system consists of following endocrine glands. The endocrine glands which are found in the human body divided into three categories. First is endocrine glands which are associated with brain. The endocrine glands which are associated with brain, they are located only in the brain. They are hypothalamus. So this is the hypothalamus. Second is pituitary gland. So there is pituitary gland, and third one is pineal gland. So these three glands are associated with brain. Second is the glands which are associated with pharynx and branchial pouches. There are three glands which are associated with pharynx and branchial pouches. These are in that, see, first is thyroid gland. So there is thyroid gland. It is associated with pharynx. Next is the parathyroid gland. This parathyroid gland is also associated with pharynx. Next is thymus gland, that is associated with branchial pouch. And third category of the gland in our body are the glands which lie in the coelom. Glands lie in the coelom are adrenal gland, this adrenal gland, pancreas, and gonads. In the gonad, female gonad is ovary, these two are ovaries, and in the male gonads are testes. So this female gonads and male gonads, testes are here. These testes are present in the scrotum. So the glands which lie in the coelom are pancreas, adrenal glands, and gonads. In the male gonads, in the male gonads, testes, and in the female gonads are ovary. So this I told about the mammalian endocrine system. Children, you have to see what is their role. So see, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is present in the brain. Hypothalamus control secretion of pituitary gland, and it will regulate body temperature, hunger, thirst, and drives. Next is pineal gland. So pineal gland is also present here, and pineal gland is believed related to the reproduction. Third is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland control bone growth and regulate activities of other endocrine gland. Therefore, pituitary gland is called master gland of the body. Pituitary gland secretes many hormones, and the hormones will control the secretion of other endocrine gland. Therefore, it is called master gland. Now the glands which located in pharynx, near the associated with pharynx and branchial pouches. In that, first one is thyroid. Thyroid control rate of fuel use in the body and body development. It will regulate basal metabolic rate. Next is parathyroid. Parathyroid lie behind the thyroid gland. It controls the level of calcium in the blood. Next gland is thymus. Thymus gland control the production of, there is thymus gland, it control production of a type of injection fighting white blood cells in children. Its function is unknown in adult. Now see other glands which are found in the coelom. The glands which are found in the coelom, in that first one is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland lie on the kidney. It control salt and water balance in the body. It prepare the body for emergency. Next is pancreas. Pancreas control the level of sugar in the body. Pancreas secretes hormones. That hormone control the level of sugar. Next is gonads. So in the female, gonad is ovary, and ovary secretes hormone. That hormones control sexual development and production of eggs. In the male, gonads are testes. Testes are found in the scrotum. Testes produce male sex hormone, and these hormones control sexual development and the production of sperms.